Happy birthday,
Hey, Chip! Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka palagi. God bless you always. At ilang panahon na lang makakamtan mo yung pangarap mo. I'll pray for that. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Chip.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Uy, grabe. Nag-birthday ka pala. Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi mo sinasabi. Meron ka pala noon. Akala ko wala. Hindi. Joke lang. Ayun, happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo dito sa Canada. At saka, more blessings pa para sa'yo. Happiness. Though I know naman, masaya ka na kasi yung mga pagmamahal pa lang ng mga anak mo, priceless na yon, di ba? And then, what else? More success sa buhay mo dito sa Canada. Ayun, huwag mong intindihin yung isang taon na madadagdag sa age mo. Importante, look young ka pa rin. Wala naman sa itsura na wala ka lang sa loto eh. Charing. At saka importante kalabaw ka pa rin. Yun lang yun. Look young at saka malakas ka pa rin, di ba? Ayun, be thankful sa lahat ng mga blessings na dumarating sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Have fun.
Go!
Hi, Norman! Wow, today is your special day. Happy birthday. Don't you know that I have a secret? I have a crush on you. I'm joking. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Right now, I know that you're very, very happy. And I'm, come to think of it, before I work with you, and I'm so glad that I work with you, and you're a very, very good person. And I wish you all the best in life. Good health, and of course, what you call this? Be happy with your loved one, and I know who's your love. Okay, so and then stay cool, and good luck, and happy birthday again. Bye.
Hi, Sir G. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, good morning, good afternoon. Seriously, sana matapagdagang wish mo ng your birthday. Stay sweet. Maraming salamat sa pagkakaibigan. Happy birthday.
Go!
Hi, Norman. Happy birthday.
And hi Norman, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Always be strong for your family. At sana makuha mo na rin sila para maging happy ka. I know yun yung pinaka gusto mong marating for now. And may God always bless you. Always may He strengthen you with His words. And I hope you'll be safe always, and thank you for being so nice and friendly. Happy birthday!
Pare, Sir Chief, happy birthday. God bless you, tsaka sana matupad na yung mga wish mo dito sa Canada. Alam ko masayang-masaya ka na. Pare, love you, pare.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Norman.
Bro, happy birthday.
How are you doing that? Can I see?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lord.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa Chief.
Sir Chief.
Papa Bear.
Happy birthday, Kuya Norman.
Happy birthday, Norman.
How young. Hi, Kuya Norman! Happy 62nd birthday. Ay, 42 pala. God bless. Tsaka yung masarap ka daw magpansit eh. Padala mo na lang.
Okay? Kay Kirby. Bye-bye.
Kuya Norman, happy birthday. Uso to, selfie video. Thank you kasi lagi mo ako pinaghuhugas ng dishes. Kahit parehas tayong nahuhuli pa rin. Tsaka ano yung nalalaman ko, lumalaki na naman yung waistline mo. Paki-explain nga. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hey! Papa Bon! Uy, darating ang birthday mo. Magpakabait ka, ha? Magpakabait ka. Wish you all the best, Papa Bong, and more blessings to come. Sana last na yan, ha? Happy birthday! Papa Bong. Sana last na yan.
Ay, Kuya Bong. Happy birthday. Tumatanda ka na. Wish ko mawala na yung gout mo. At saka sana
Be a good boy.
be a good boy.
Yeah, pretty
Man
much.
lang. Saka darating din tayo dyan. Sige, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Kip. Norman, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Norman!
Hi,
Happy
Norman.
birthday!
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best!
And, ayan na, Kuya, ito talaga final na talaga. Ito talaga yung pinaka-final namin. Ilang beses na to eh.
Pang 5 videos na namin to, lahat mali.
Yeah, pero
So,
ito na talaga. And John, happy birthday and hope all your dreams may come true.
English.
Yeah, syempre Canadian. And iyon, care of Larry talaga to eh. Siyang nangulit talaga sa amin ng bongga para sa'yo, para maging masaya ka this birthday mo. And sana nga,
And alam naman namin na happy ka.
Yeah.
Obvious naman, di ba?
tama sa inyong dalawa.
Oo nga. So, ano pa? Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Okay, good health.
God
and
bless.
May you have many more many more birthdays to come.
Ay, no.
Ayan na.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye! Happy birthday!
Okay, Norman. Happy birthday. Kumusta kita at kumusta na? Happy birthday. Thank you. Kumusta na? Hindi mo pa nakikita si baby. Naalala ko, binigyan mo ako ng sub. Nung buntis ako, ayan na yung anak ko. Pakita mo nga. Yan o. Tapos natutulog. Ay. Sige, Kuya Norman. Have a good day and enjoy. God bless you and take care always. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tatay. Happy birthday. I love you. Wish you good health. Lots and lots of money. At sana magkatuluyan kayo ni Tatay. Ay, mali. Ni Nanay pala. I'm still gonna be your #1 fan. I love you, Tatay. Happy birthday. Ate, ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Tatay! Mwah!
Hi, Norman! Happy birthday! How old are you? O ano? Huwag nang dagdagan ha. Si Larry na ang uli. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life.
Happy birthday, Norman! Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Tatay! I love you! More birthdays to come! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Chup, chup, chup!
Ako na! Bilis! Happy birthday, Tatay! O, ito na yung cake mo. Wala nang cake sa susunod na birthday. Siya ang taya. Si Rhea ang taya sa susunod.
Tay, ako na lang kakainin ko! Happy birthday! You're the best, Tatay! Love you! Tay, happy birthday!
Ano ba? O, di ba? Good health. And susunod wedding na. Jaila.
Hi, Tay! Oh!
Yan ang gift mo.
Happy birthday! Parang pang Hollywood lang ah! Happy
Happy birthday! More blessings to come. Sana magkatuluyan kayo and the best pinakbit ever! Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, Sir Chip! What's up? Happy birthday! May you have more beers to come. So, sige, cheers, Tagay!
Hi, welcome to Subway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Norman.
Happy birthday, Kuya Norman.
Happy 21st. More power.
More power.
Happy birthday, chicken! Hope it's a really good day. Pak!
Old man now, go and get married. Look at me, I'm going to get married. Anyway, I wish you a very happy birthday. Joyeux anniversaire en français. Sana Saida in Arabic. Thank you.
Hi Norman! Happy birthday bro! God bless!
Happy birthday, Sir
Happy
Chip!
birthday Sir Chip!
Mwah!
Mwah! Toasted!
Happy birthday, Sir Chip! Ay, 24 ka na. Nadagdagan ka na naman ng isang taon. Nung nakaraan, nakilala kita. Ano ka lang eh. 14 ka lang eh, di ba? Anyways, birthday mo naman. Pagbibigyan na kita, di ba? Parang di nagkakalayo edad natin. And dyan ako proud. Kasi looking yung palaging aking minamahal. Happy birthday and sana you'll enjoy this day. And I want to thank you for everything that you've done for me. Hindi lang po para sa akin, para din po kay Machos and sa family ko. Alam mo naman kung bakit kita minahal right from the start. Kasi nakita ko kung gaano mo kamahal yung mga anak mo. And bibihira na, with my experience, bibihira na katulad mo sa mundong ito na sobrang ibibigay ang lahat para sa mga anak niya. And yan din, isa rin dyan, dahilan kung bakit sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Always remember na nandito lang lagi si Larry Ann, si Maya. Wow, Maya. Nandito lang lagi ako para sa'yo. Kahit na minsan, kontrabels ako. Kahit na minsan, pumapatol ako. Pinapatulang mo naman ako, Chong. Dito lang po ako palagi kasi I consider you as one of my best friends. I love you so much, Sir Chip. Enjoy the rest of the day. I love you. Mwah! Happy birthday, Sir Chip! 24 ka na. Oh my God, natagtaga na naman yung taon mo. Pero sabi mo nga, wala kang pakailam sa edad. Numbers lang yan. Looking young pa din. And dyan naman ako proud talaga. Parang, sige na nga, birthday mo naman. Parang hindi nagkakalayo yung edad natin, di ba? And I want to thank you for everything that you've done for me. Hindi lang po para sa akin, kundi para din po kay Machos and sa pamilya ko. Every time na kailangan ko na makikinig, willing ka pong makinig. Kahit na puro sermon ang inaabot ko. Anyways, alam mo naman kung bakit kita minahal, di ba? Right from the start. Kasi nakita ko kung gaano mo kamahal yung mga anak mo. And with my experience, bihira na yan. Bihira ng lalaking katulad mo na willing ibigay lahat para sa mga anak niya. And dyan din, isa rin ako dyan. Isa rin yan sa mga bagay na sobrang proud ako about you. Basta always remember that I will always be here for you no matter what happen, kahit ano mangyari. Kasi hindi lang po kita, kasi I consider you as one of my best friend din po. Maraming salamat sa lahat, Sir Chip. From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat. And I love you so much. Mwah! Enjoy the rest of the day. Love you.